plan, the storage was read. 51 gigs of a life that is dead. A photo of Paris, a thread of the text. The last I love you and all of the next. Scrolling the breakdown, a digital scan. 3 years of weather of where you at plans. It's just a bar graph, a cold climbing line. A quantified love story doing just fine. And I know the move is to let it expire. The hitman in storage and cut the wire. But what's in Nevada, just blinking green lights. Rows of our secrets and cold, endless nights. Ay. I keep your ghost on a monthly plan, paying for the past in a server farm. A desert of data where our heat remains. Just ones and zeros spelling out your name. Yeah, I keep your ghost on a monthly plan, the last of the feelings that I understand. A fingerprint press on the screen confirm. 99.99, just to let it burn. Let it burn. They say it's not healthy, this virtual grip, but you're in the cloud where the sun never slip. I'll find a goodbye and a timestamp freeze. 100 good mornings beneath messages. It's not a heartbreak, it's a different kind. A quiet partition in the back of my mind. A backup of feelings I can't re-download. Just ran out to space where the connection drowns. Right. And I know the move is to let it expire. The hitman in storage and cut the wire. But what's in Nevada, just blinking green lights. Rows of our secrets and cold, endless nights. Look, I keep your ghost on a monthly plan, paying for the past in a server farm. A desert of data where our heat remains. Just ones and zeros spelling out your name, spelling out your name. Your ghost on a monthly plan, the last of the feelings that I understand. A fingerprint press on the screen confirm. 99.99, just to let it burn. It's not love, it's logistics now.